Good day, positive thinkers. Again, this is teacher Marlo and welcome to my channel. So in this video, you are going to learn about multiplication property of equality. Meaning, we are going to multiply the reciprocal of the numerical coefficient of our variable to both sides of the equation. So multiplication property of equality states that for any real numbers a, b, and c, where c is not equal to 0, if a is equal to b, then a times c is equal to b times c. So in words, multiplying both sides of an equation by the same non-zero number will not change the solution set. So suppose we want to solve the equation 5x is equal to 30. We have 5x on the left side of our equation but would like to have just x. Therefore, we need to multiply 5x or both sides of our equation by the reciprocal of the coefficient of x, which is 1 over 5. Okay, multiply both sides of the equation by 1/5. Because 1/5 times 5 is 1 or just x. Then 30 times 1 is 30. Divided by 5 is 6. So the value of x is equal to 6. So here are some examples that use the multiplication property of equality. Negative 4a equals 24. The reciprocal of negative 4 is negative 1/4. Multiply negative 1/4 to both sides of our equation. So negative 1/4 times negative 4 is 1 or just a equals 24 times negative 1 is negative 24. Then divide 4. So a is equal to negative 6. We have another example, negative t over 3 is equal to 5. We know that the numerical coefficient of t is negative 1/3 and the reciprocal of negative 1/3 is negative 3. So multiply negative 3 to both sides of our equation. Okay, so this is cancel. We have t left equals 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Next, 2/3 y equals 4. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. So multiply 3/2 to both sides of our equation. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6 over 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 divided by 6 is 1 or just y equals 4 times 3 is 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. Five plus 8 equals 10x plus 20x minus 4x. So we can add this. 5 plus 8 is 13 equals 10x plus 20x is 30x, and then subtract 4x. So 13 equals 30x minus 4x is 26x. And then we want to remove 26 from x. Therefore, we need to do the multiplication property of equality. That is by getting the reciprocal of 26, which is 1 over 26. Multiply 1 over 26 to both sides. Okay, so this is 1 or just x here, and then 1 times 13 is 13 over 26. Okay, so we can still put this into its lowest term. Divide both numerator and the denominator by 13. So x, 13 divided by 13 is 1. 26 divided by 13 is 2. Therefore, the value of x is 1/2. Next, 2/3 x plus 1/2 equals negative 3/4. So first, we need to remove 1/2 on this side of the equation. So 2/3 x plus 1/2. To remove 1/2 on this side, we need to subtract 1/2. Subtract 1/2 to both sides of our equation. Okay, minus 1/2. So 2/3 x, this is 0, equals, so first we need to get the LCD of these two fractions. The LCD of 4 and 2 is 4. And then divide 4 by 4 is 1. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Then minus 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1 is 2. So 2/3 x equals negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. Copy the denominator. And then multiply both sides of our equation by the reciprocal of 2/3, which is 3/2. Okay, 3/2. So this is cancel, or we have x. We have x left on this side of the equation equals negative 5 times 3 is negative 15, and 4 times 2 is 8. Therefore, the value of x is negative 15 over 8. And that is all about this video, and I'll see you next time.